Not looking too good, the weather today. In fact, I think it's going to start raining in about 10 minutes and I'll probably get soaked and have to turn around and go back home. Never mind. The intention was there. Hello. Hello. No. See you later then. Anyway, a bit of rain never hurt anybody. Freshens you up. Yeah, happy. Happy in the field. Happy in the field like them horses. Hello boys. Hello. You feel a bit frisky today? Good boy. See you later. You believe in star signs? I don't believe in them literally, but I think that they, if you do believe in them, then they affect the way you act a little bit. Maybe the person who's a Cancer's more sitting at home in his shell and looking out at the world, and maybe the Leos are not aggressive but extrovert, because his star sign says he is, and often even so it seems to work out that way, even if you don't actually believe it. I suppose that's a lot of things with belief. If you believe in it, then it kind of comes true. Like a self-fulfilling prophecy. But the actual thing in itself might not have any measurable meaning. But once it interacts with your brain, then perhaps it does dictate a little way in how things go. I'm Sagittarius, half man, half horse, like them horses. And I've bought into the story a bit myself. The Sagittarians are a bit mad, and they can say things sometimes that other people wouldn't say and get away with it. Shooting arrows and often annoying people as well. But when I go out on the bike, I sometimes think of myself as a little centaur, and instead of a horse, the bike is my horse, and I'm sitting on there, driving along, flying along, talking to myself, having little thoughts, thinking little things and sharing them with the world, shooting arrows. Some of them will stick, some of them will go to the wrong target, some of them will get lost in the bushes. But if you keep shooting the arrows out, eventually you'll hit some target. And if you don't shoot any arrows, you'll never hit any targets. Kind of strange weather today. It's not cold, not warm either, it's just like about 18 degrees. But very humid, you can feel the air's laden with water, and it's soon gonna rain. I perceive precipitation as possible. So I'm planning to get up into the woods, but we'll have to see how it goes. Just see what happens. Sometimes I do wonder how much we are in control of our lives. It's just that little bit of bundled nerve tissue on the top of your spine. Tells your body to breathe and makes you go and look for ripe cherries or ripe apples and get some food. All the little tricks to keep you alive. But I'm not sure how good it is for looking at the whole picture. And sometimes I have the feeling that this feeling that we're in control somehow is really an illusion. That 99% of what we're doing is, I won't say planned, but beyond our control. That Shakespeare line, or the plans of mice and men are easily destroyed. And another little saying is like, yeah, the gods are jealous of people who are too successful and they strike you down. They'll strike you down anyway at the end, but that's a different story. An interesting thing I read, I can't remember, some quote from some guy, a Greek fella in a toga probably, was the only thing the gods have got no control of is man's stupidity. Which is quite interesting if you think about it. Hello. That loud noise is the windmills repositioning themselves for the different winds. Quite dark now. We'll go and have a look for some mushrooms, wild mushrooms. Like a mushroom place to me. These little shaped moss are nice. Those little bright yellow mushrooms there, fungal things. Don't know what they are. I'll have a little look around and see if we can see anything else growing.